Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I got my coffee and I hope you got yours as well. So I hope you all had a good weekend. Many prayers and thoughts for those who are in Louisiana and everyone that has been suffering from these hurricanes. And just, my thoughts go out and prayers go out to the people in Wisconsin and Portland, just all around this world. I'm just, kind of devastated about the affairs of our country, but I'm not going to get into that on Monday Morning Coffee right now. So, I hope you all had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. If you got crafties done, that's be nice. I did a lot of crafting because I didn't really do a whole lot for Labor Day. But I got some crafting done. I finished up a major project, and I was like, phew, I'm really happy about that. And I'm still working on getting some things for sale. I'm going to be having some of my projects and things that I made for sale as well. And, so I've been working on that a lot this weekend. The one thing I did, I've been trying to get a title to my car because, my car has been like messed up forever and a day. And due to COVID, I haven't been able to go to the DMV because they haven't been open. Now they're open with an appointment, but it takes an act of Congress to get an appointment. And then when you get one, you got to find a ride. So I was really relieved. This weekend, I was cleaning out that closet from the craft room. And I am just like, y'all would not believe the amount of stuff I'm just getting rid of. But I was looking into a box that, honestly, I don't even know how it got in there. I don't even know where it came from. It looked like a bunch of stuff from home when I moved 4 years ago. And it just looks like somebody randomly threw it in there. So I went through so much stuff this weekend, like from all the little giveaways and challenges and stuff that I've had. I usually leave things and cards and stuff in the little packages, and I left them in there because I just didn't have anywhere to put them at the time. And I went through all those, and I just could not believe it. I just started weeping almost because of all the kindness and support that you guys have shown me over the last couple of years. And, but in doing so, and in saying all of that, in this little box that I found, I started going through, and there were some personal pictures and things like that in there. But at the bottom of the box, there was my title to my car that I had been looking for since March 21st. I'm like, thank you, Jesus. So I found the title, and as soon as I get the paperwork printed off from the insurance company, I am mailing that puppy off, and so hopefully I will have my car fixed soon. So yeah, there's a lot to be said. I mean, all around me I look, and it's still kind of chaotic in here, but it's coming together. Not sure how much longer it's going to be here, but it's coming together, so I'm happy about that. And I have working on some kits, some junk journal kits for Halloween. Those will be out in a day, maybe two. And I have been working just on a lot of different projects and stuff. So, and I'm kind of losing my voice. Not that some people would mind you, but, having sinus issues. Sinuses start draining. Ugh, I feel like bleh. Anyway. So what's going on this week besides me sitting up here jibber-jabbering? So today, right after this video, I have a design team project share of my In Vogue mini album that I started last week. And I think I showed the video of constructing the album and stuff. And so I didn't get a lot of feedback on if you wanted to see me finish it, me do it. So I just finished the album. I'm going to share with you the finished product. I am so happy and pleased with this album. It looks so good. And so I hope you will come back and check that video out. And then like I said, on tomorrow, I will have another video out of some of the things that I'm going to be selling, some kits and some projects that I've done, and maybe some dies and things like that. But I really got to get rid of some of this stuff, and I really need to get some money. And on another note, I just want to tell Deb how thank you for allowing me to host a party for her. And I want to say thank you for everybody who ordered from Deb through my party. I really appreciate your support for that, more than you'll ever know. And so I'm able to get a few little things from Stampin' Up, and I'm so happy about that. But I just want to say thank you. And if you've not been over to Deb's channel, which most of us know her, I encourage you to do so. I will link her below in the description box. And if you like Stampin' Up and you don't have a demonstrator consultant already, think about going over and checking Deb out for that too. She has all that information always on her channel and below each video. So check that out too. And if you'd like to become a hostess, do that too. And let's see. So on Thursday, I have a video coming out. Also tomorrow, or maybe today, I have a swap to share. I forgot about that I received over the weekend. So I will be posting that up. I don't know if it'll be today. It might come out tomorrow as well. And on Thursday, we have 24 weeks of Christmas. I'm kind of lost for Tuesday because we don't have any more August. September 1st is Tuesday and no more Halloween in August. That was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed doing that collaboration with Angie, Andrew, and Gareth and Tony. But I skipping on over to Thursday, and I still have that same little fun group to do our 24 weeks of Christmas collaboration with. So that'll be out on Thursday. And then Thursday night, we're going to continue Christmas Thursday night for Thursday Night Live. I found a project that I want to try to do. I don't know if you remember several weeks ago, I tried to do this little advent calendar on a little Dollar Tree board or whatever, and it was okay, but it wasn't thrilled. I think it would be a little clumsy for children to do. And so I saw another advent calendar thing I want to try, and it was inspired by Darby from Rejoice and Create here on YouTube. And so I want to, of course, add my little spin on it, but I want to give that a try. So I hope you will join me Thursday night for Thursday Night Live for that. And just think, I have something already planned. I have to wait till the last minute. And then Friday, I'm going to try to have a video up on Friday. I don't know what it's going to be yet. It might be Geo Living. It might be something else. I don't know. But, you know, I'm trying not to overpromise, that way I can overdeliver. So, yeah. So I'm still just trying to go strong here and keep the faith and keep on keeping on. I'm hoping to get my car fixed so I can maybe look for a part-time job. I am having some health issues that I haven't told anybody about. Not even my besties, and I'm sorry, Nora and Lori. But I've just been trying to wait till I get some test results back before I share with that. But please keep me your thoughts and your prayers on. And I'll let you know when I know more information. I don't want to tell anybody anything until I get some more information. So. But I just would like to ask you to keep me in your thoughts and prayers. Please keep, my friend Lori in your prayers, and Nora. Nora's having a pretty hard time here. And don't forget about Miss Susie from Susie's Craft Room. She's been going through a lot. Her family's going through a lot. Susie's from my hometown, and we all went to school together, her sisters and all of us. And so her nephew, one of her sister's husband, passed away this past week. And I know Susie put a video out about it, but please, keep her in your thoughts and your prayers too. Alright guys, so that is it for Monday Morning Coffee. I apologize if I kind of rambled this morning. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night, so I am tired. But anyway, I will see y'all later. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm not always a zombie in the mornings. And don't forget to tap bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. Alright guys, thank you so much. And stay tuned for my En Vogue unveiling. Bye.